from outer space to see what we are doing. Tiny little astronauts ready to get to it. Intergalactic scientists, earthbound on a mission. They're the brightest of the best of team defense upon a quest. All aboard, they send reports on projects they are doing. Question and investigate, there is nothing to it. Make a guess and do your best, gathering the data. Find out, Flugels, go! They're a band of cosmic friends, tiny, happy aliens. Left off to another world, secretly exploring. When they land upon the Earth, nothing's ever boring. They might have landed in a room, testing in the kitchen, or exploring in the bathroom. Have you noticed something missing? It's another undercover super secret day, experimenting all the way that things are fine. It's really great. Here come Fleeker, Boomer, Flow. Adventures everywhere they go. So check your room for cosmic friends, tiny happy aliens. They're Flugels. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on, boy. Go fetch. Off you go, Junior Flugel Boomer. There's a good Flugel. Nothing like a day in the park, huh?
Sir, do you think it's wise to be out in the open like this? We might be seen by a human.
Huh, really?
Pretty much happens every single day, sir. They almost see us, we cleverly get away. Yeah, it's not like it hasn't almost happened quite a number of times, sir.
Oh, what are we talking about? Junior Flugel Boomer, did you pick up Scruffy's toy stick by accident?
Oh, I thought it gotten heavy.
Scruffy and Flugel! Hi!
Got it! Fetch, boy!
Good job, Luke.
Maybe Flo's right. We do need to be more careful out in the open. Though, no humans here. Just a big tree, that green outdoorsy carpet stuff. And, what is that?
I know. Maybe it's one of those discs that the humans are always trying to throw away. Yeah.
Frisbees?
Frizz what now? I doubt this would fly very far, Junior Flugel Boomer. It's more bowl-shaped. Got it! Activate upward rotational maneuver. There you go! A salad bowl left over from someone's picnic. Not a very attractive bowl, or hygienic.
Wouldn't the salad dressing leak out of all the gaps?
It's definitely been made for something, Captain.
And we're going to find out what. Team, we have today's project. What are we? We're Flugels! Fleeker!
We
Fly, question, and explore everywhere we go!
I suppose it could be a hat, but it'd be super itchy to wear. And it looks like it's broken.
Oh, Junior Flugel Boomer!
Wasn't me this time, sir. I didn't break anything.
Maybe this thing was broken when somebody dropped it. There are even more of them up in the tree.
Do these things grow on trees?
Like when apples get ripe and fall from trees in the human's garden.
Sir, I don't think they're growing. Instead, they're just resting on the branches. Let's get up high for a better view. Let you go, Lululemur.
You read my mind, first offers of flow. Flugelzucker, go!
Go, Boomer, pretend jetpack. Oh, it's actually working.
Ah, there you are, Junior Flugel Boomer.
Hi.
Now, let's take a look-see. Go, Flugelscope.
Captain, are you saying what I'm saying?
Uh-huh. Tiny birds and extremely far away. Wait, no, strike that. Normal-sized birds, pretty close by, actually. And they're inside those bowl things.
Aw, look at them chirping away. They're so cute. Do you think this is where birds live?
Better keep our distance, Flugels. We don't want to disturb them.
Also appear to make these things with their beaks. Wow, that's clever. Birds are pretty incredible.
Oh, I'm picking up a gasp. What is it, Junior Flugel Boomer?
Captain, what about the one on the ground? Some poor birds are going to fly home after a busy day at work and find their home fell out of the tree and broke.
Boomer's right.
Well, no, cute little birds are losing their home on my watch.
isn't just made of twigs, but bits of tree bark, feathers, and moss. We'll need each one of these to fix it. I made a list with the little boxes so you can check them off. It's so exciting.
All right, Junior Flugel Boomer, let's go shopping. Huh?
Oh?
Great job, team. As good as new. Wait a second, First Officer Flo. Did you clean and put in an air freshener?
Actually, I couldn't help myself, sir. A clean home is a happy home.
Bird bowl salad thing is in position. Pie 3 team, good job.
Now we just wait for the birds who live here to come home.
Do you think they'll invite us in for lunch as a thank you for fixing their house?
Yeah, birds eat worms.
On purpose? Oh, just pretend they're noodles. Just pretend they're noodles.
Flugels, let's raise a salute and get ready to welcome those birds home. They'll be here any moment now. Yes, sir. Any moment. Do you think they got stuck in traffic? What if the birds who lived here moved out? That's why we didn't find any bird furniture in there.
Do birds even use furniture, sir?
I heard Mom Hooman talk about bird baths once, but I don't see one.
Oh, then they must have moved out.
It is a shame. We went and fixed this bird home for nothing.
Maybe some other birds would like to live here.
Aha! Yes, Junior Flugel Boomer! Looks like we're in the real estate business. We have a great bird home available here, amazing park views, and lots of ceiling space.
I did clean, sir.
Oh, yes, that's right. Recently cleaned and plenty of branch parking. Anybody? Any birdie? Do they even understand me? Junior Flugel Boomer, do you speak bird? No, that's a chicken. We can't go inviting chickens to live here. Just one and fill up the whole house.
Sir, I don't think any of the birds are interested in our bird home.
Birds are super choosy. Now what do we do? Ooh.
Well, I'm glad it's not only me who does that. Oh no! Hold on!
Sir, the bird home!
Way ahead of you, Flugels. Hold this. Go! Almost got it!
Flugel retract!
The bird home! Got it.
It's a bird's nest. Dad, we should go put it back in the tree.
Smart thinking. That boy knows what he's talking about.
Nice thought, Luke, but birds won't return to a nest if it's been disturbed by other animals. Or fallen out of a tree. They'll just make a new one.
Ah, no wonder no birds came home or wanted to live in our super fancy bird home.
Now, where's Scruffy? Come on, Luke.
The humans called it a nest.
Seems sad, sir. No one will ever use it again. Poor little nest.
Captain, there is someone who might be able to use this. And by someone, I mean free someone. Good job! Now we can look for projects and file reports in the park without being seen by a human.
Excellent work, First Officer Flo. It really is the perfect place to deliver today's report from.
Remote transmission gadget ready and waiting, sir.
Earth Team Flugels calling Planet Flug. Preparing to send mission report Bird's Nest.
Go ahead, team. Planet Flug is watching.
Uploading report in T-minus 3, 2, 1, 0. Captain Flicker Flugel reporting. Today we flugeled out that birds live up in trees in these amazing creations. They're called nests, and birds actually make them themselves.
First Officer Flo Flugel reporting. We saw how birds make nests from things like twigs, bark, feathers, and moss, which the birds pack together tightly.
Junior Flugel Boomer reporting. Birds don't return to nests if they've been disturbed or fallen down. They'll build a new one. So it's important not to disturb a nest if you see one in a tree.
Flug likes it.
Flug loved it. Another great project. What a cozy and clever report, Flugels.
And we got stickers!
Yeah!
Sir, how about we celebrate by using our